Howdy, what's up, guys? My name is Mohit, and today I'm going to show you an extremely powerful JQuery slider that actually uses the malsup plugin. And that's the great part. Malsup is a great guy. I think he's named the plugin after himself, and he's made life so very easy, as we'll see in this example, in this demonstration. Okay, so you have a slider that auto advances, that even has a pause button and a resume button. We'll pause it again. We have the next, prev functionality. You have the pager functionality as well, and then we can resume it all back, so it goes in the auto slider mode. Okay, it's all combined into one. So as I said, I've taken inspiration, I've taken some knowledge of the jquery.malsup.com/cycle URL, the website. You can download the cycle plugin from here. Okay, this is to be used over and above the latest minified jQuery library. I'm using CodePen. It's an online editor. Okay, so in part one, guys, I'm only gonna confine myself to the browser preview. Only in the next part, the last part, I'm gonna explain the code. Okay, which I'm gonna show it to you very superficially. Okay, now let me show you something. Let me bring in the JS panel in front of you. Okay, now there's not too much, it's very simple to create. There's not too much out here. I'm using CodePen.io. It's an online editor, and to include the latest jQuery library, you have an option to just drop it down from here. Plus, I've also linked up to the malsup cycle plugin, which is a URL. It's a URL. If I actually take the URL, I say copy, and I paste it out here, say paste and go, it's going to open up the plugin for us. Yep. Okay, so but if you're actually working with Dreamweaver, Sublime Text 3, Coda, etc., you'll need to manually, using the script tags, type text JavaScript, include the latest minified compressed jQuery library and the cycle plugin through a CDN, content delivery network, just the way I've actually done out here. Okay, but this code editor, online code editor, CodePen.io, actually has these options right here itself. Okay, now notice I'm going to manipulate this slider so very easily. Okay, I'm going to go out here, scroll horse. If I just change it to vert, see what happens. This is going to show you certain examples. Okay, so instead of scrolling horizontally, it's actually doing it vertically. Let's increase the time period to half a second. Slides down slightly slower, and the timeout is the time duration that you get to see each image. From 2 seconds, I'm increasing it to 3 seconds. Let's see how this actually affects the preview. Okay, so it allows you more time to actually see the effect. Let's change the scroll word effect to something like a shuffle. Let's see how this actually looks. Yep. Yep. And let's try the zoom out. Just waiting. I think the internet is a little slow. Okay, there comes up the zoom behavior for you. Let me show that to you nicely. Wonderful. So guys, I'm going to terminate the tutorial right here. I'm going to show you in the next part. I'm going to take you through the code. This was just the browser's preview, and I'm going to show you how easily I took itsy bitsy codes, from the malsup website, the jquery.malsup.com, and there are itsy bitsy demos out there, small snippets like the shuffle effect out here, the zoom effect out here, the cycle effect out here. Just combine many of the demonstrations together, and actually brought you this with something which has the pause, resume, next, prev functionality and the pager functionality as well. So please do join me in the next part. Guys, you have a good day. Bye bye. Peace.